This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Flavia Burrell. Welcome to maintenance-free living. Beautiful 3-bedroom upscale paired villa at Cameron Row located in the very desirable quiet Renwick community. This 3-bedroom, 3-full-bath villa sports an open floor plan concept with a master bedroom on the main floor. The master bedroom walk-in closet is equipped with a California closet system. Among this home's features are hardwood throughout the main level, ceramic tiled bathrooms, granite countertops, gas log fireplace, tiled shower, and the laundry on the main floor. One of the best features of this villa is the fully finished light-filled sunroom with access to the backyard. Friendly and very walkable neighborhood, full of sidewalks, with access to a city trail at home to Cathcart Park. Walk to Crumble Bakery for a cup of coffee al fresco or to C3 for a fabulous meal at the Renwick Piazza. Convenient to near East Side grocery stores, shops and restaurants. Less than 7 minutes from the future home of the IU Health Bloomington Hospital and the